So what's the difference between running low ticket and high ticket? I'm gonna go over all the ramifications of each, which one you should be running right now. And this is low ticket, SMA digital products, and high ticket, coach, consultant, service providers, etc. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this. So what I would be running right now, because ad costs are massively high, you wanna be running high ticket. You wanna get straight to the high ticket sale. Find business owners who are looking for your service or your coaching and just go right for the book call to the sale. 4 to 5 years ago, it was a lot easier to run low ticket offers that would then have a bunch of upsells, and you would try your best to at least break even or profit on the front end. Problem with that right now is that ad costs are almost 3 times as high, almost 4 times as high as they were 4 years ago. So now selling like a $17 PDF, $47 course, you're gonna pay $100 to get that customer off an ad. You will. You're gonna pay a fuck ton of money in hopes that that customer will then convert and buy upsells and downsells and then get to the thank you page and book a call. I ran my 100 ad templates offer and we got them in for $17. A lot of people would take the order bump. Most of the people were spending about $71 through their whole funnel. So I was spending about $40 to make 73, which it was profitable on the front end. Then they would book a call on the thank you page, and it was very, very profitable for us. We did very well with that low ticket offer. But right now, with the way the ad costs are in competition, very hard for you to do so. The only way that it would make sense to run a low ticket offer to high ticket right now is if your course is $97 and you spend about $175 to get a customer. If that's where your KPIs are at, it's not bad, because every 3 people will book a call. It means it's $200 a book call. They're qualified. They already swiped their card. Odds are they'll buy a 5 to 10K program. That's where it starts to get which is very interesting as far as your costs. Let's say right now you spend $50 to get a customer on a $17 low ticket. You're spending $33 for someone to hit the book and call page, but those people are high quality. So even if 1 for every 3 of them book a call, it's still doing really, really well. It's still fucking worth it. You're getting cash flow in return. You're getting them on your email list, able to get them in your ecosystem for less. Pros and cons of low ticket versus high ticket are: high ticket, you get right to the sale and you just hope for that 30% close rate or higher, and then you make your high ticket money without the low ticket struggle. Low ticket, you get a lot more fucking front end people and they're higher quality on the back end, but you risk the chance of you having to pay a lot to get that customer to buy that $17, $27, $37, whatever it is that you're pushing. You might go and you might build out this whole funnel that's 20 steps, your low ticket offer, the order bump, upsell, downsell, downsell, upsell, downsell, downsell, upsell, downsell, downsell, upsell, downsell, downsell on a thank you page. That's going to take you, plus building the products, that's going to take you at least 30 days to build out. With that being said, is that worth your time to waste 30 days in hopes that something's actually going to fucking work, because you don't know if it's going to work on the back end yet? Here's my advice to you. If you're looking to run a low ticket, just build out the first page. Get them to buy the first product. Don't have any upsells. Buy the first product, go to a book call. The reason why I'm telling you to do this is not because I don't want you to make money or have a higher average order value. It's because I just want you to see if the front end product even fucking works, because then after that, then you can add upsells. And then you test each upsell as you go. And then once you have all the upsells, then you test the order of them and see if one gets bought more when it's in position 2 than 4, or position 4 than 1, or position 1 than 3. You have to play around with that. Now, the whole premise of upsells is 2 things: more of the same and faster, better results. So if I'm selling 100 ad templates, more of the same would be 100 more ad templates. If I'm selling 100 ad templates and I want faster, better results, it would be, hey, here are these templates of ads. Here's the fucking landing pages. It's the next thing. And after that, it's how do you scale it? And then after that, it's how do you run on your own? How do you actually make money in the back end? It is the prospect's journey or the client journey you need to map out to make sure those upsells are congruent. You don't want to sell 100 ad templates, then the next page is a course. Makes no fucking sense, because you got to go in this customer journey fashion. A lot of people will always give me props for what I did with the 100 ad templates, because I walked them through the funnel so gradually. So it was 100 ad templates, then landing pages, then how do you scale it? Then here's the Facebook group where you can ask me for personal advice, and then the course. And the way that I walked them through it was just a no-brainer for people. It was a very good offer. So that's the balance between low ticket and high ticket. High ticket, though, you have to worry about building a sales team and having a script and focusing on KPIs and making sure that everybody's going across your KPIs and processes. And with high ticket, if they want a refund, that's a lot of money you're losing. With low ticket, if they want a refund, who gives a fuck? $17, it's very small money. You have to worry about more on the fulfillment piece if you go right to high ticket, but with low ticket, you can at least make some money on the front end to not put yourself in a hole. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.